How to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers. So first you will need to open up the Start menu and then search for Services. And then click on the Services application. And in here you should find a service called Connected Devices Platform Service, which is this one right here. And now double click on this service and then stop it if it's already running by hitting the stop button, and switch or change the startup type from automatic or whatever other option to disabled, and then hit apply and OK. And then scroll all the way down till you find a service called SysMain, which is this one. Double click on it as well and stop it if it's already running, and change the startup type to disabled, and then hit apply and OK. Next, you can close out of this right here, and you want to right click on the start menu or start button right here and open up the settings, and then go to Windows Update. And from here, make sure that you install any pending updates on your PC. And once you're done, you can basically close out of this and restart your computer. And then right click on the taskbar, open Task Manager, and then open the Startup tab. And from here you will need to go through this list of applications and disable the applications that are not needed. So you should disable as much as possible of applications from this list. So for example, Xbox, Widget Launcher, and stuff like that do not need to run as soon as Windows starts. You can always run them later if you want to, but on Windows startup, they will basically make your computer heavy loading, trying to run all these applications. So make sure to only leave only the required ones, such as Windows Defender Security and Realtek Audio and important stuff like that. Also the G Hub for the mouse. Next, you will need to run the command prompt as administrator by right-clicking on the Start button and opening up CMD, PowerShell, or Terminal as admin. And in the command line, you will need to type sfc /scan now and press enter. And wait for this process to finish. It might take a while to scan your PC. And once that is done, you will need to type the following command as well, which is chk DAESK, like this, and then space, and your hard drive, so for example C, where Windows is installed, space /F space /R, press enter, and press Y to confirm. Scheduling this volume to be checked the next time you restart your system. If you don't want that, you can type N for no and then press enter. And this will basically require restarting your PC for the hard drive to be checked. And once it's checked, it will reboot and open up Windows. And that should fix the 100% load issue and basically make your Windows run better and smoother. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.